let me do an introduction. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going out to a birthday party again. Didi's birthday. Didi Gonzalez TV. She's also a vlogger. She do interview with a Filipino famous singer here in Hong Kong. What I'm wearing right now is the dress that I got from Zara. So TD and the sandal from Kat McConey, and of course the bangles, earrings, pearl. I wanted to show you the Murray Lounge Garden here in Hong Kong. It's really nice to, if you plan for a birthday party or dinner or lunch with friends. It's a beautiful place to party, celebrate with anything, anniversary, birthday, stuff like that. And I'll bring you with me because I'm dressed up. Anyways, come and join me. Let's go and have fun. Before I go, I can't decide which mask I should wear. Maybe this black one because it's paired with my sandal and my bag. So this is all from Mask Club. I end up wearing this one because the black one is too big for me. So this one is perfectly fit and I'm ready to go. Ano ka na birthday? Last time sa Ilan ba?
Semi-buffet with sa
I mean, I've been so ayun si Didi sa dulo. Kasi so she's in the middle of the table. Oh, thank you for you guys. Super love it. Look at the glass. It's so sexy. I think I want more birthday to come. Happy birthday. Pag kukuha, if we go get food, we need to wear mask. But if we stay in the table, we can remove our mask. I'm gonna go get another round of food.
talaga.
And the seafood, there you go. This is the starter.
So did you order your main course, ladies?
I haven't yet.
Ako din wala pa.
I forgot what's the choice.
Kain muna raw kayo.
Actually, I got a gold box on here from Didi. I'm gonna get more oyster.
Ako ano, Caesar salad. I love Caesar salad. Pinukuha ba nila? Cheers, Mitch! So I'm gonna unboxing Didi's giveaway gift.
See what's inside.
Yes!
I love the nail. Ang ganda pang unboxing ng nail mo.
Galing. Oh yeah, I have to do this.
Yes.
Woo! Thank you, Didi. Sis Didi.
There you go. Papatanggal ng ano.
There. After tonight, we need this. Thank you, Sis Didi.
Thanks for unboxing.
Thank you. There you go.
Bye.
Mitch is unboxing her
The
gift
same.
from-
Pareho siya
Alright.
guys, but let's see what's inside. ano yung kanyang... The packaging is nice, pink, white. Love that.
Girly.
And that's
There
the
you go.
inside.
That's
Wow.
nice.
Eye cream.
Yeah.
So,
We
ayan.
need that.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Ang bilis.
Very happy. Sobrang na-surprise ako kung sino yung mga dumating kasi yun yung hindi ko alam eh kung sino yung darating. Thank you for coming.
It's a nice venue.
Mitch also. This is Linda and MC Ems din.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Init mo. I tried to...
Thank you.
May drink ka.
I'm good.
Ayan, nasa ra.
Girls, thank you for coming.
Of course, you must.
Sinundo pa ako sa bahay to bring the flowers. Thank you, sis. I really appreciate it. Diba? Kaya, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.